Let's now shift our focus to South Africa, where the government has expanded its nationwide rollout of COVID-19 vaccinations. This comes at a time when the country is bracing for a potential third wave of the pandemic. The second phase of the vaccination resumed on Monday for South Africans above the age of 60 years and other vulnerable groups. According to the latest statistics from the Health Department, the country has vaccinated more than 480,000 healthcare workers, with the government setting an ambitious goal for the second phase of the vaccination rollout. A total of 116,000 people and more have been vaccinated up until now.
I think each person must be given the opportunity to protect themselves. And the fact that the government is bringing us these vaccines makes it a lot easier. You have to be positive about this kind of thing. I'll come back in 21 days for my second dose.
Health Minister Zweli Mkhize earlier said, and I quote, 5 million senior citizens are targeted to be completed by the end of June, provided that the supply of vaccines flows as anticipated. By the end of June, we will have 4.5 million Pfizer doses and 2 million doses of Johnson & Johnson once released. Mkhize also said that there will be 87 vaccine sites, 83 public sector sites and 4 private sites for vaccination, and all of which will be published on the South Africa coronavirus website after they scale up to 200 sites. And according to the latest statistics, the cumulative number of COVID-19 cases identified in South Africa is a little over 1 million, and the total number of deaths stands at well above 55,000. For more on this, our correspondent Calden Ongmu has sent us this report from Johannesburg.
South Africa's most anticipated second phase of COVID-19 vaccine rollout kicked off this week for those over the age of 60 years and other vulnerable groups. The government has been criticized for its slow pace, but officials are hopeful that the numbers will pick up. Last week, Health Minister Zweli Mkhize said they are targeting to inoculate 5 million senior citizens by the end of June, provided that the supply of vaccine flows as anticipated. According to the latest statistics from the Department of Health, the country has vaccinated 480,665 healthcare workers under the Sisonke trial program. These vaccinations were the one-dose Johnson & Johnson vaccine. The total vaccinated in phase 2 as on Wednesday stands at 116,741. These vaccinations were with the first dose of Pfizer vaccine. The number of COVID-19 positive cases identified in South Africa is over 1.6 million, and the country has registered 55,210 deaths. This is Calden Ongmu from Johannesburg, South Africa for WION World is One.
WION World is One is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news updates on the move.